How you guys doing today? Adam and Mashta. We're out here in beautiful San Diego. We're fishing from the docks. You know, anybody can do this. You don't need a boat to come out here and catch fish. If you watched our setup video, the only thing we're doing is a little size 10 split shot and a little size 2 hook. We decided to buy some ghost shrimp today. We just bought the frozen stuff. You didn't have to buy live. Live does work better, but frozen works almost as well because we're broke. So we're fishing the docks. We're pitching near the docks. We're fishing near the boats out here. There's a lot of current in here. That's the one thing you want to pay attention to. If the current's not flowing, you're not going to get bit. So make sure you're checking your tide swings. You want to be in the middle to right about when the tide's swinging. That's usually when the best bite is. So we're just fishing little ghost shrimp. Another great thing you can do too, because we're fishing multiple rods, you know, we're trying to fish artificials as well. One thing that's a great idea to do is if you buy some really cheap little cheap bobbers, the bright color ones I prefer. You can put a little hook on them or put a little split shot on them, or not a little split shot, a little swivel on them, and you let them hang from your line. If you watch some of our videos, you'll see the bobbers shoot up. It's a great little bite indicator. It's great if you're bringing out kids because it gives them something visual to watch. And when the fish comes and bites it, the bobber goes up, or if the fish bites and swims towards you, it's going to go down. A great, easy way to catch fish. We're going to go and fish some docks, do some swim baits. We'll show you some techniques doing that, and keep watching. Oh, look, it's already good. It's already good.
Oh, 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 oh. I wake up early, get my coffee, my newspaper at the door. Feel great and my mind is in a good place. There's nothing that can make me feel any other way. I feel good today. You can't take this away. No, you can't take this away. I feel good today. You can't take this away. No, you can't take this away. I got my girl my lemonade, a side bowl, and a little bit of chocolate ain't so bad. Let's take a stroll outside and grab avocados off the branch. I feel good today. You can't take this away. No, you can't take this away. Feeling oh so blessed. I say goodbye to stress, and nothing's gonna bring me down. You know I made a choice.
Another great way, another fun way to catch fish is come out here and just fish with 3-inch swim baits. Docks are great habitat. The spotties love to spit by these pillars and stuff like that. That's a great go-to. If you see these pillars, that's what you want to fish. That's what you want to focus on. What happens is these spotties are waiting for mollusks, waiting for shrimp, waiting for crab to come and fall down, waiting for bait to get pushed past it. First, what you do is you want to take your swim bait. You make a nice longer cast, the better in my opinion. You want to pitch it back in there, close to the dock if you can. There's a few different ways you can work a swim bait. First way you like to do first is just do one, let it sink down to the bottom. 3 or 4 cranks. Stop. Let it sink back down to the bottom. Let it hit the bottom again. 3 or 4 cranks. Let it sink back to the bottom. And just so you guys know, 9 times out of 10, they're going to bite it on the paws. What happens is bodies will look up at it, see it swimming, and then when it starts to sink back down, that's when they want to grab it. That's when they have that reaction strike. Another way to do it too, especially if you're fishing a little more tighter places, is pitch it back in there. Let it sink down to the bottom. You can almost work it just like a jig too. You can kind of just pop it. find different techniques, because different speeds, because sometimes the fish are different one day or another. Sometimes they want that quick snap from the pop. Sometimes they want it nice and slow looking natural. And like I said, and when they bite, hold on. They hit hard and they'll rip the rod right out of your hand. So go out and have a good time, guys, and send me pictures if you guys catch them.
Whoa, hey, whoa.
On the swim bait.
I've been waiting on the sunset, bills on my mindset. I can't deny it, getting higher, higher than my income. Income's breadcrumbs. I've been trying to survive. The glow that the sun gets right around sunset helps me realize this is just a journey. Drop your worries. You are gonna turn out fine.
Buddy.
Oh, you turn out fine.
Nice little guy.
Fine. Oh, you turn out fine. But you gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey. You gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey. I know it's hard, to remember sometimes, but you gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey, 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 hey. I got my hands in my pockets, kicking these rocks. It's kinda hard to watch this life go by. I'm buying into skeptics, skeptics mess with the confidence in my eyes. I'm seeing all the angles, thoughts get tangled. I start to compromise my life and my purpose. Is it all worth it? Am I gonna turn out fine? Oh, you turn out fine.
There, where's that little girl at? Hey, does she want to catch a fish?
Fine. Oh,
does she want to catch a fish?
You wanna catch a fish? Keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey. You gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey. I know it's hard, to remember sometimes, but you gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey, hey, hey. Only rainbows after rain, the sun will always come again. It's a circle, circling around again. It comes around again. I say only rainbows after rain, the sun will always come again. And it's a circle, circling around again. It comes around, but you gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey. You gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey. I know it's hard, to remember sometimes, but you gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head